Hello everybody, welcome back in another video in Crypto Scanner. So today we have a new video about a new topic, a new project that we will talk about it. But before we dive into this project, I would like to ask you to follow our channel, like this video, and if you have any question about this project, don't forget to ask me in the comment section. So see you after this intro. Hello everybody and welcome back in the second part of our video. So as you see, this is the Bitget Wallet website, and as you see, you can check all the details from this website. But before that, I would like to go one by one. So I don't want to start with the features or buzzwords. I want to start with the simple ideas, how we actually use money today and why crypto is slowly moving from something that we invest into something we actually use, like card, like the normal money. So Bitget itself, crypto wallet used by more than 80 million people worldwide. So it's one of the major actors in the world, and that means you control your funds, your keys, and the transaction, and no one can freeze your money. Also, no hold if it's that you are afraid from it. But also interesting that Bitget Wallet is no longer trying to be just a wallet. Its new direction to become an everyday financial app built on the blockchain. So for a long time, finance was controlled by banks and borders. Then everything moved online, then to mobile apps, and it became faster and didn't become fairly or more global. So sending money from countries, it's not just like difficult like it was before, but for now it's something very easy. And when you use the Bitget wallet, it's something, or it's a tool that will make crypto very powerful to use it in the normal days. If you check the website, you will see here the wallet with all the categories, so you can download it in the iOS and Android, Chrome extension, APK verification, so all that you can check one by yourself. Swap, so you can swap here. Let's go to the swap page, and you can see here the charts of each of all the currencies, including the hot picks, the AI, big data, the favorites if you have favorites and you have already connected your wallet here. So for example, today the hot picks, as you see here, the cluster is more than 1,500, and all that in the Bitget wallet, and you can use it from here. Let's go to the second page, is the Bitget bridge. You can see here the total volume and also the total users and also the total orders, all that archived in this page. You can check the processing one, the success one, all that from one page. For developers, you can check also the developer services from here. So documentation, how to connect the wallet, all that in the documentation page. Let's check it, for example, and that's just for developers that would like to integrate the Bitget wallet in their APIs, in the application, in the payment gateways. So all that you can find all that. Let's go back now to our website. And as I said, the problem is that most of crypto apps are just too complicated for normal people. So you open them and you see networks, gas fees, long address, and things that make sense of already deep into the Web3. Most people don't want that, so just they want something that's very simple, and that you will find it in the Bitget wallet. So the Bitget wallet is going a different direction. So focusing now in the making crypto feel normal, you open the app, and instead of feeling like you are entering a technical platform, you will feel closer like a mobile app or mobile banking app, like the normal one that you have your normal bank. Now the Bitget wallet is one that you can use it, but in the crypto, and that's also why Bitget Wallet recently launched a completely new interface, and the user experience is more easier for all users, including young one and also the oldest. So the new UI is cleaner and built around actions people actually take every day. One of the biggest changes in the pay section, which is now right on the home screen. From there, you can use crypto cards, scan QR codes to pay locally, transfer stable coins to banks accounts and also to supported region, and shop also directly from the app. Even if you check in the first page here, you will find that you can enter to the world of the NFTs and the Web3. So here your gateway to Web3. So if you click here, discover the Web3, we will see categories. So for example, I would like to check the gamify. Let's check this game, for example. And here we'll see the documentation first, how to use it, how the Bitget wallet will involve in this app. So all that will be very easy with the Bitget wallet. So of course the Bitget wallet is not just about payments. For users who like trading, you can also swap across more than 1 million token in over 130 blockchains. So you can also trade tokenized assets like stocks, gold, and even use advanced trading features. But they're presented a way that doesn't overwhelm you. On the earning side, Bitget offers stablecoins earning products that are simple to use and easy to track. So you don't need to jump between different DeFi apps or worry about the complex setups. Everything is integrated and you can see your earning clearly inside the apps. And for me, something that we have not talked about it, but it's the main thing here, is the security. Why the security? Because it's the important part for anyone in this story. So even though Bitget Wallet is easy to use and is still fully backed by a strong security system, there are large user protection fund, advanced risk detection, and secure key management, and all that without taking any control away from the user. So you stay in charge, but you are not left alone. Just that for the security. And finally, for me, what I like about the Bitget Wallet, it works for different type of users. So if you are new to crypto, you can start slowly without feeling lost. If you are coming from traditional investing, it gives you a very easy way to enter in the on-chain finance. But also, if you're already deep in the Web3, you get powerful tools placed instead of using 10 different apps. So all that you will find it in the Bitget wallet, including the normal banking things, the investing and to swap and to also simple and complex trade without any problem. So crypto doesn't need to be complicated to be powerful, and also it doesn't need to be very risky or confusing for normal users. So that was about our video today about the Bitget wallet. If you like the video, don't forget to put like, comment to this section, follow to our channel, and please comment to this video to see your vision about the Bitget wallet, to see also your question, and I will answer any question that appear in the comment section. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.